Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can change password in laptop. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, go to the search menu at the bottom of your screen and search for settings. Inside settings, navigate to the accounts tab from the left side menu and your current Microsoft account will be displayed. After that, click on the sign in options feature and then all of the available options will appear. From this list, select password and then click on the change button. Once you do that, you will be prompted to enter your device's current password. Simply type it in and then start typing in the new password. After you are done typing, click on the next button at the bottom and that's it. So that's basically how you can change password in laptop. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.